itekele ndawo xa uxola ebendinika wathi prayer a true form of worship. I think it is written something like that, but we worship God through prayer. Okanye mandithi prayer is also part of how we worship God. And so right now we're going to do that kind of worship. Simnqula uThixo ngendlela ngendlela. And so prayer is one of them. Uthi uNtsika xa ethetha with the soil there in one of the shows that we worship God even when we eat. The way you eat presents how you worship God. The way you walk presents how you worship God. The way you thetha ngayo presents how you worship God. And so xa uvumane sithi worship it is part of our everyday lives. That's exactly what he means. Okokubana indlela esithetha ngayo nendlela esihamba ngayo represent the God that we worship. Uthi komnye umbhali xa ethetha athi you do not worship what you do not know. And I am sure ukuba uvumane okanye ndiyanqinelana with what uvumane has been saying here ukuba in everything that he was saying, he was actually also saying that in simple forms. Okokuba in order for you to worship God, you need to know who is it that you are worshiping. Because you can never worship who you do not know. You can never worship what you do not know. And therefore, when we worship, we bow down. And so when we bow down, it means that and therefore, let you, God, and so when I am worshiping, and that is within me, that is God, let it come outside. Worship, it is what is happening inside you, and what is happening inside you then comes out. And therefore, because we're gonna see what is happening inside through worship. That is what worship is. Worship, it is expressing that which you are feeling inside, outside. And so right now, and one of the prayers that we're gonna start, and I hope, and we're gonna pray over women and child abuse. We are living in Elizabeth that abantwana nabantu abangomama have become scared, especially of abantu abangootata okanye mandithi of abantu abangootata. And we believe okubana abantu abangootata are actually who abantu abekusuppose bayasikhusela. You know, omnye utata xa ethetha athi when God created Eve, wakhupha imbambo, and imbambo, it is something that is under the arm, and so it is protected, and therefore that's what men are supposed to do. They're supposed to, for example, that this is the one thing that you make sure, because right? And so that's what men are supposed to do, but instead they have become monsters, people that we are scared of. And so we're going to pray over that. We're going to pray that may his spirit intervene. May umoya wakhe hover over us. May he not leave us in such a world, because he's the one who brought us in this world, and therefore may he give guidance on how it is, on what it is that is happening that we are doing wrong, or what it is that we are not doing, that they have become. I remember this other time, Disuga Epentech to Cape Town, one or that lane, that is a very dangerous lane. And so Ndakwela well courage. And you should know if you la train, wakwela well courage, you are in danger. So I was not alone in that courage, but I was the only woman. And the discomfort that I felt was very uncomfortable. After Mpumile, I questioned myself, what has the world become? Okokubana City, the people that we are supposed to feel safe around. And therefore that is what we are going to pray over today. May He give us umoya ozasikhokhela, umoya woba achinje isimo, ngoba there's nothing Tina that we can do, but He also says there is nothing we can do singekho kuye. And so sikuye, there is everything we are able to do everything. And so we're going to ask uThixo right now okokuba benguThixo who's going to guide us, abe nguThixo ozasikhusela, abe nguThixo ozawuhlala ehleli nathi. Thixo ovha izikhungo obaxhasa abantu othe wena kule nkambo wakhokhela nanga amadinga ethu siwabeka phambi kwakho, siwabeka phambi kwakho. Nansi nesikhungo, nansi nesikhungo, khungo siphe impendulo, siphe impendulo yakho.